Number 1, Alleycat Oyster Bar in the Flats East Bank. Here's the view from one of the patios outside. Everybody wants to be near the water, and this place lets you do it, whether you're inside or outside. And if you like seafood and want great views of the river, this is the spot. It's a Zach Bruel restaurant, so it's a safe bet that you'll have a good experience. Shrimp stuffed peppers, lobster rolls, and obviously oysters are best sellers here. Number 2 is Merwins-wharf, a restaurant operated by our friends at the Cleveland Metro Parks. This is the type of place you tell your friends and family about. Take a look at the patio. You're right on the river. You've got kayaks going by. They've also got lawn games, giant Jenga, and outdoor fire pits. And there is actually a place to tie off your boat and dock if you want to come to the restaurant from the river. The big soft pretzel and the Cuban sandwich are big sellers here. Number 3 is Nuevo, right in the middle of a lakefront park. It's a Mexican restaurant right up against the Rock and Dock Marina. Just fantastic views of the city and Lake Erie. You could even catch a sunset over the lake. Now, Nuevo is known for their margaritas, and not that you need my recommendation, but here's a picture of their shrimp tacos. There are sand volleyball courts right behind the restaurant, and you can walk right over to the lake. Number 4 is Whiskey Island Still and Eatery. This is a laid-back place with a ton of outdoor seating. It overlooks a marina. They have bands perform here quite often during the warm weather months. And if you decide to get a burger, it's gonna be big. Number 5 is Collision Bend Brewery. This riverfront patio is huge. You are literally right above the Cuyahoga River when you sit outside. They even have spaces for boaters to dock and come get something to eat or drink. Lots of outdoor and indoor seating. The fact that they brew their own beer here is another big draw. Get the popcorn, get the Brussels sprouts, and enjoy the view. And I always like to give a bonus. Here's Coastal Taco, a great patio, a great atmosphere. There's cornhole and lawn games and table tennis. Another great spot to hit when you're looking to enjoy a meal with views of the water.